Lord, remind me that this is only temporary, for every time there is a purpose, and I will not be in this storm forever. This storm will pass, and the sun will shine again. I will trust you and your plans. Amen.
Wala ng pag-asa, darating din ang ligaya. Ang isipin mo'y may bukas pa, na mayroong saya. Kabigo ay hindi hadlang upang tumakas ka. Huwag kang iiwas pag nabibigo, dapat na lumaban ka.